Let's talk YouTube Shorts, what they are and why they should matter to you. What's going on, guys? Angel Talamontes, Click Leads Local, bringing you what I know when I know it. And today I'm going to discuss YouTube Shorts. I'm going to give you guys a complete guide, what they are, why you should be using them, and how they work. So if you guys haven't realized, YouTube is really trying to compete with TikTok by pushing something called YouTube Shorts. And if you haven't seen it yet in your mobile app, if you're watching a video, if you scroll down, there's only one video. There's an ad, there's one video, and then there's YouTube Shorts. This is called the YouTube Short Shelf. And if your video makes it on the YouTube Shorts shelf, you're probably going to get tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, or even millions of views. And all these videos are 1 minute or less, and they are posted in the vertical, like you're shooting video with your phone vertically. These are all posted in the vertical format. So if you scroll up, you're able to scroll through almost like TikTok. And as you can see, if you swipe up, you're able to see these videos, but the subscribe button is right there for you as well. And that's super important for YouTube Shorts. Now, why should this matter to you, especially if you're a smaller channel? It should matter to you because there are over 2.2 billion people on YouTube, and there is a huge land grab for digital real estate on YouTube Shorts. There isn't enough content for them to continue to show people. So as they need more content and you put the content on early, you're obviously going to get a chance to make it on that YouTube Short shelf. And if you make it on the YouTube Short shelf, likely you're going to gain a bunch of views and subscribers. But there's a caveat to that as well. Before I get into that caveat, I want to talk to you about how important titles are for your YouTube Shorts. Now, as you guys could see on my YouTube Short, it's posted in a vertical format. So there really isn't a chance for you to customize your thumbnails yet. And there's been some videos that I've watched where they try to customize the thumbnail and nothing happens. So YouTube actually gets to pick your thumbnail. And then from there, the only thing that they can see is the title, and then they're able to like or dislike, comment, but there is a subscribe button there. And the subscribe button is rather large. And if they haven't subscribed to you yet, perhaps they do. Now, with that, I'm going to get to the caveats of YouTube Shorts. If you're trying to monetize your channel, they don't count towards your watch hours or your monetized views. And the reason for this is because it's shown on the YouTube Shorts shelf, and they don't run advertisements on the YouTube Shorts shelf. Now, if somebody goes to your channel and let's say they're on their desktop and they click on your actual channel, they click the video from either the search bar or your channel page, then you will get paid. And those views will count towards your watch time, your watch hours, and your monetized views. If they do it from the shelf, however, it won't count. So that is the caveat. So even if you receive 100,000 views on one of your YouTube Shorts video, it doesn't mean that it's going to count towards your watch time of getting monetized or toward monetized views. Now, with that being said, they don't take anything away from you from getting new subscribers. So I think personally, the biggest land grab in this YouTube Shorts is not only getting some views and helping your channel with total view count, but I think the big land grab is getting new subscribers and getting new subscribers fast. Now, the caveat to that is most likely if you're getting subscribed to from those YouTube Shorts, they may or may not be interested in your channel or the videos that you're posting long form. And that's obviously a risk that I'm willing to take and that you guys should be willing to take too, because it's just getting yourself out in front of more people. There have been several case studies shown already how much that shorts affect your channel. And if you guys haven't checked out Mr. Beast, or if you don't know who he is, you don't live on planet Earth, but he has a new YouTube Shorts channel. So he has his main Mr. Beast channel, and then he has a whole nother channel for Mr. Beast Shorts. And if one of the top YouTubers is investing in YouTube Shorts, he probably has some more insider information than somebody like me. So I'm going to go ahead and follow that trend, jump on these YouTube Shorts, especially if that's what they want to promote. So right now, I don't have any definitive success with YouTube Shorts yet. From what I've seen from a lot of people using Shorts, that it has taken 2, 3, 4 weeks before that short has taken off. And people who were posting and started right when it started, about September, early September, they were getting videos in October or November that absolutely exploded. And it exploded their channel, several thousands of subscribers. I mean, there's case studies of people who started their YouTube channel in 2020 and now they're at over 1 million subscribers just using shorts. So there's obviously a want and a need for YouTube to utilize shorts, and there is a need for content that you could be part of in order to get YouTube to solidify shorts. And I don't think it's going away. They know what they need to do against TikTok. So if you guys are wondering whether or not you guys should put out shorts, you guys should put out shorts today. So this has been Angel Talamantes, Click Leads Local, telling you what I know when I know it on YouTube Shorts so that you guys don't miss this opportunity. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.